Welcome. This is Howdy Honda's web series on how to use the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Today we're going to talk about how to use the reconfigurable driver's information interface in your 2018 Honda Civic. First, locate the Pages button on your left side of your steering wheel. Give it a press. You'll notice different icons showing up in your information display now, so press it again to move over. From here you can select multiple different screens to see various information about the vehicle. Fuel economy, if equipped, the turbocharger boost on the turbocharger in the engine, maintenance information, music information, and phone information. The final one allows you to switch the speedometer from imperial units to metric units, or allows a blank display if you'd prefer nothing in that area.